Hello and welcome to day 17 of our Women Empowerment series. Today, we are diving into a topic that has the power to transform your life: goal setting for success. Setting the right goals is the first step toward turning your dreams into reality. It's not just about what you want, it's about creating a clear plan to get there. Let's explore how you can set goals that inspire you and keep you moving forward. Let's understand why goals matter. Imagine driving without a destination. You might wander aimlessly, not knowing where to go or when you have arrived. That's what life feels like without goals. Goals give you direction and purpose. They're your roadmap, guiding you toward the life you have always envisioned. Whether it's in your personal life, career, or finances, having clear goals helps you focus, track your progress, and stay motivated, even when the road gets tough. Here is the truth. When you set the right goals, you don't just dream, you achieve. Let's understand the power of SMART goals. One of the best ways to set effective goals is to use the SMART framework. Let me break it down. S stands for specific. Be clear about what you want. Instead of saying, I want to be healthier, say, I want to exercise 3 times a week. M stands for measurable. Track your progress. For example, I will lose 5 pounds in 2 months is easier to measure than I will lose weight. A stands for achievable. Set goals that challenge you but they should be realistic. Aim to progress, not perfection. R for relevant. Align your goals with your values and priorities. Ask yourself, does this bring me closer to the life I want? T for time bound. Give yourself a deadline. A goal without a timeline is just a wish. When you use this method, the SMART method, your goals become more than ideas. They become actionable steps. Let me share my story with you. A few years ago, I felt stuck and overwhelmed by my dreams, especially when it came to finances. I knew I wanted financial freedom, but I didn't have a clear plan. So I started setting SMART goals, beginning with saving money every month by tracking expenses and cutting unnecessary spending. Achieving that small goal gave me the confidence to set bigger ones, like creating an emergency fund and investing in mutual funds for future. I learned to break my goals into steps, researching investment options, setting up automated savings, and educating myself on financial planning and investments. Each milestone, no matter how small, felt like a victory and brought me closer to stability. Goal setting didn't just improve my finances, it gave me clarity, control, and peace of mind. Now I feel empowered to dream even bigger, like building wealth for the future or starting new ventures. The key was consistency. Showing up for my goals every day, even when progress felt slow. Through this journey, I realized that financial success is not about luck, it's about intention and the action. If I can do it, so can you. One step, one goal at a time. Setting goals is one thing, but sticking to them is another. Here are some tips to help you stay committed. Tip number 1, write them down. A goal written on paper feels real. Put it somewhere you will see it every day. Tip number 2, break them into steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, actionable tasks. Tip number 3, celebrate small wins. Every step forward is progress. Celebrate it too. Keep yourself motivated. Find accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust. They can encourage you and help you stay on track. Tip number 5, stay flexible. Life happens and plans may need to change. Adjust your goals if necessary, but don't give up. Remember, progress is not always linear. What matters is that you keep moving forward. Goals are not just about accomplishments. They are about growth. Each step you take toward your goal builds your confidence, resilience, and belief in yourself. Think about a time when you achieved something you worked hard for. Do you remember the pride, the joy, the sense of empowerment? That's what happens when you set goals and reach them. It's a reminder of your strength and determination. Your goals are a promise to yourself. By working towards them, you are saying, I believe in me, and that belief can move mountains. Today I want to challenge you. Think of one goal you have been putting off. Maybe it's about your career, health, or personal growth. Now turn it into a SMART goal. Write it down, break it into steps, and commit to taking the first step today. For example, if your goal is to learn new skill, start with I'll spend 30 minutes each day learning this skill for the next 3 months. Every small step matters. And before you know it, you will look back and realize how far you have come. Tomorrow, we will explore how to balance work, life, and self-care to ensure you are thriving and not just surviving. Thank you for joining me today. As you move forward, remember this: setting goals is an act of self-love. It's your way of saying, my dreams matter and I'm willing to work for them. You are capable of amazing things. And I am so proud of you for showing up today for yourself and your future. Keep dreaming, keep growing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.